Ciao guys, today I show you the improvements I told you I would have made to my rope making machines. So first thing first, let's examine the things I wanted to improve. I would like to start with the mobile part, which had the major problems in my opinion. So I added a new motor and a new holder, which is very similar to the fixed part I'm going to show you. Also, the rotative disc was too small and weak, so I replaced it with a bigger one using plywood. With several layers. I did not make any improvements on the sliding because it will require more studying and testing. So for now I'm fine with the traditional wheels. So let's get to work and let me show you how I made and installed the rotative disc. So here the overview on the facelifting of the mobile part. Here you can also see the new motor I recycled from the fixed part and the new holder. I use the holders that are normally used for house tubings. It works great with all the motors that don't have a proper holding capabilities and have a cylindric shape. Let's skip now to the fixed part. As you will see, I replaced the whole motor system. It's now belt driven. I find this to be very easy to install using also the tubes holder I told you about. With the cardanic joint I had problems because maybe the motor wasn't strong enough or maybe because the coupling quality was too low. In any case, I didn't like it that much. The only thing you should pay attention to here with the belt driven system is to have enough room for the belt tightness regulation. So I solved the position point by changing the whole motor pack. The belt drive also helped me to reduce friction. The overall system is basically the same. I didn't have to make any major changes to the gearbox. Moving the motor to the right also gave me some additional room where to store the battery pack. The new engine has far more torque, but is also slower. I bought it on AliExpress, so I didn't pay that much. Maybe in the future I will change it with a better one. So let's go and test them. I attach 3 single threads to the machines and I start with the fixed part. That will unthread each single thread. This will cause the mobile part to get backward until the thread will start threading back again into the correct way. This will cause the mobile part to move forward. This is a very important step if we want to make Z-shaped cables. When each thread is tight enough, usually as it was before unthreading it, we can start the mobile part. Of course, we need to switch off the fixed part. The moving part will move backward for a few centimeters and then will start moving forward again. That was all for now. I hope you found some useful information. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. I also left some useful link in the description below that you might find useful. Check them out and I will see you in the next video.